Hi, I'm going to show you how to make this infinity scarf, and it's a pretty easy beginner scarf, and I used medium worsted yarn, impeccable yarn, and I used an N hook. The pattern for this is listed down below, and it's, like I said, it's a pretty easy basic type of scarf. Alright, so let's get started. To get started, I did a chain of 110. And you can try that and wrap it around your neck and see if you like it, if it's long enough, and then wrap it around twice, because that's the finished infinity scarf. So I did 110 chain count with an N hook, so you can try that and see if that works for you, see if it's too short or if it's too long. It went down to probably my waist when I put it together. Now, once you have your chain count of 110 or what you prefer, there is no right or wrong for the chain count. It just needs to be as long as you think is best for looping it around twice around your neck. So I have that chain count, and I slip stitched into that first chain to create the circle, because you'll need it to go around your neck. So then you're going to chain 3 to get started. Make sure that your yarn isn't twisted. Make sure it's all straight, and then in each chain around you're going to work a double crochet. Insert the hook, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 for a double crochet, and then each chain around gets 1 double crochet until you get to the beginning. Okay, now that you're back at the beginning, you're going to slip stitch on top of that chain 3. Now you're going to repeat this round again. You're going to chain 3, and if you'd like a ridge type of effect, you're going to go into the back loop into each double crochet. So that back loop, work a double crochet, or you could just work in both loops and work a regular double crochet, but I'm using the back loop for more of a ridge effect on it. And you'll just repeat this all the way until you get back to the beginning. Okay, so now that you're back at the beginning, you can do as many rounds as you prefer. I did mine up to around 8 altogether. And then I'm going to take it and wrap it around my neck, and then do another wrap so it wraps around twice, and then my cowl is, my infinity scarf type of cowl is complete. And like I said, this pattern is listed down below, and if you have any questions, let me know. It's pretty easy and basic, great for beginners, and it makes a really nice infinity scarf. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.